My best friend in the world sent me the entire Sailor Moon ColourPop collection. Pretty much the best person ever. So these are powdered blushes. Oh man, I think I'll paint my nails before I do the reveal. But what I wanted to do, I ended streaming my nails because I wanted to use one of these lip glosses. And I wanted to take some videos of the box set before I tore into it because it's just so beautiful. Which color should I do? Sagi or Moon Tiara? I'm sure Bunny must have an opinion. Hello? Are you gonna say hi to me or what? Have you just come to lurk? I don't blame you. Too busy for the DemonSugar Show. I'm just kidding. You should work hard so you can fund the DemonSugar Show. I will always understand that. You know what? It smells kind of like gingerbread. It smells like a cookie. It smells like a baked good. Like a Yankee Candle version of a baked good. Yankee Candle version of a Yankee. Wow. Okay, now that I can read your chat, isn't it so cute that there's a moonlight and a daylight? I didn't even understand it at first. Usagi, Moon Tiara, Bunhead, Sailor Moon, and the colors are similar. But one's for a daytime look and one's for a nighttime look. They're very similar set, but one's for nighttime and one's for daytime, okay? To go with the palette. So I wanted to show you guys me like opening and exploring it before I actually, oh, that's what I was doing. I painted my nails so that I could do this unboxing without looking super scuffed. Cute, smart. Go me, go Sugar. Crushing it. He's looking out for me. And here, it's daytime. Fighting evil by moonlight, winning love by daylight. A bear share, oh my gosh. Prism Power. Come here. Kill me now. Sorry to my headphone users, and actually sorry to everyone. Please forgive me. That was a little upsetting. Literally obsessed. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Here, let me lower the My Chemical Romance. I'm sure this will... YouTube! And dude, man, My Chemical Romance and Britney Spears gets claimed like a bitch! Other things people don't care about. It's funny. But... so pretty! Oh, I can't take it! Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. So this color is Moonlight Legend. Now let's see the other one. Aw, have a good rest of your day at work. Thank you for watching. I'll keep working super hard as long as I can. No, you. Love you. I'll work hard. Which one do you guys like better? Maybe I shouldn't have put it away. I'm sure you want to compare. Bye, Chop House Bunny. Thank you for watching the DemonSugar Show. Thank you for donating. Thank you for subscribing. Happ 18-month anniversary. Which color do you guys like better? Oof. I love them both. I think the pink is more me, but this purple is so dynamic. Pink and purple are like my two favorite colors. It's so gorgeous. Oh, well, I guess I could open this one. Should I open this one? Let's take a look. Oh, almost made a mess. Oh my god, the stars. It's so perfect. so beautiful though. I wonder how long it will take to get all this glitter off. Well, I get to show you guys. I tested the glitter. Look at the little stars in it. So cute. Yeah, I put a lot in one spot. I like overkilled it, but that's really awesome. That it's like really effective. Oh my gosh, yeah. What a beaut. Wow. Wow, now that I'm like spreading it out. Wow. That's so pretty. Holy cow. Is called From the Moon. Is this not the coolest thing you've ever seen?